If you're ready to upgrade your backyard projects, having the right tools makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best tillers for gardening, break up tough soil, mix in nutrients, and prep your beds for planting with ease, saving you time and effort. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Alloman 20V. The Alloman 20V electric tiller is an excellent option for gardeners who value convenience, portability, and efficiency. One of the standout features of this model is its cordless design, which eliminates the hassle of managing extension cords and searching for power outlets. This tiller gives you the freedom to work in hard-to-reach places and confined garden spaces without restriction. Powered by a reliable 20V battery, it provides enough runtime to handle small to medium gardening tasks with ease. It's particularly useful for home gardeners who need to prepare soil, aerate lawns, or cultivate flower beds quickly. Equipped with 4 durable steel tines, the Alloman 20V operates at speeds up to 360 RPM, allowing it to cultivate areas up to 9 inches wide and 6.6 inches deep in just seconds. This performance makes it a practical choice for loosening soil, mixing in compost, or prepping garden plots for planting. Despite its power, it remains lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable auxiliary handle and ergonomic grip contribute to reduced fatigue even during extended use. These thoughtful design elements make it accessible for gardeners of all ages and skill levels. Safety is also a top priority with the Alloman 20V. It features a dual-action safety switch that requires both the safety button and trigger to be pressed simultaneously before the tiller activates. This ensures accidental starts are avoided, keeping both the user and bystanders safe. Number 2. Lawnmaster TE1318W1. The Lawnmaster TE1318W1 electric tiller stands out for its impressive efficiency and thoughtful design, making it a reliable option for medium to large garden spaces. With 6 rust-resistant steel blades spinning at a powerful 390 RPM, this cultivator is capable of cutting through tough, compacted soil and rough terrain with ease. It boasts a generous 18-inch cutting width and a 9-inch depth capacity, allowing you to cover larger areas in less time. This makes it ideal for homeowners managing expansive garden plots or multiple flower beds. A particularly practical feature of the Lawnmaster TE1318W1 is its mechanical overload protection system. If the tiller encounters a foreign object or overly dense patch of soil, it automatically shuts off to prevent motor damage. This adds a layer of durability and ensures your equipment lasts longer with less risk of breakdowns. The space-saving design is another advantage, as the foldable handles make it simple to store in tight spaces, like garages or sheds. In addition to its performance and durability, the Lawnmaster TE1318W1 is an eco-conscious option. It operates without gas, oil, or harmful emissions, offering a cleaner and more environmentally friendly way to maintain your garden. Number 3. MZK20V Tiller. The MZK20V tiller is a compact, cordless garden cultivator designed to bring both convenience and efficiency to home gardening tasks. Powered by a rechargeable 20V battery, this model frees users from the limitations of cords and the hassle of finding nearby outlets. This freedom makes it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized gardens, especially those with tight corners or awkward spots. One of the key highlights of the MZK20V is its lightweight and ergonomic build. The handle is designed to minimize strain on the user's hands and arms, making it comfortable for extended periods of use. Its compact size allows for easy handling and storage, while its efficient design makes quick work of pre-tilled soil, clump breaking, and soil aeration. With 24 durable steel tines and a 7.8-inch wide tilling capacity, this cultivator is surprisingly effective for its size. It's perfect for preparing garden beds, mixing in compost, and loosening soil for new plantings. Safety is another area where the MZK20V shines. The built-in safety lock ensures that the tiller only operates when intended, protecting both the user and nearby family members or pets. This feature is especially important for households with children or busy outdoor spaces. The simple startup process, combined with minimal maintenance requirements, adds to the tool's overall appeal. Number 4. MZK 12-inch electric tiller. The MZK 12-inch electric tiller offers a powerful and practical solution for gardeners looking to streamline soil preparation. With a generous 12-inch cutting width and an 8-inch digging depth, it's capable of handling both light-duty and moderately demanding tasks like breaking up soil, turning garden beds, and preparing areas for new plantings. This balance of size and power makes it suitable for medium to large gardens. At the heart of the MZK electric tiller is a robust 10-amp pure copper motor delivering a high-speed 430 RPM performance. This ensures smooth, efficient operation, reducing the time and effort needed for tilling projects. Its construction includes 4 rust-resistant components and 16 durable steel blades, giving it the strength to tackle various soil types while resisting wear and corrosion over time. A standout feature is its low-maintenance operation. Since it's electric, there's no need for gas, oil, or complex engine upkeep. Just plug it in and you're ready to work. This ease of use makes it ideal for gardeners who want reliable performance without the complications of traditional gas-powered tools. The adjustable wheels with 3 height settings provide excellent versatility and control over tilling depth and maneuverability. Another notable advantage is its multi-scene adaptability. Whether you're working in vegetable gardens, flower beds, or fruit orchards, this tiller handles a variety of environments effectively. Number 5. TaskStar TH4000. The TaskStar TH4000 cordless tiller is a high-performance gardening tool tailored for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Designed to tackle a range of outdoor tasks, including breaking ground, mixing compost, and aerating soil, this model delivers dependable performance while offering excellent ease of use. Powered by a capable motor operating at 360 RPM, it ensures consistent, efficient tilling results across various soil conditions. One of the standout elements of the TH4000 is its robust tine system. Outfitted with 48 heavy-duty, rust-resistant steel tines, it excels at breaking up dense soil, integrating organic material, and preparing garden beds. The result is professional-grade soil conditioning that enhances plant growth and garden aesthetics. Paired with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 2.0 AH, it provides extended runtime, promoting work efficiency by over 200% compared to entry-level models. This cord-free setup offers complete mobility, letting users work wherever needed without the constraints of cables. Another appealing feature is the tool's lightweight, ergonomic construction.